Hello, this is Dee with DJ Designs, and today I wanted to show you 3 different ways how you can do embroidery patches. Of course, you'll need embroidery machines for this, and I did 3 different samples, and it'd be interesting to see which ones you like, okay? All right, and I finished all of them, but with the glitter, this is glitter vinyl. What I would recommend is to put a piece of heavyweight, which I did not do because this will come apart, okay? All right, so remember that if you're doing the glitter vinyl, put a piece of heavyweight with this tearaway, okay? All right, stay tuned to make these patches. Okay. We have our twill cut. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is, I got 2 pieces of heavyweight tearaway backing, and I'll just put them on my mighty hoop. This is an 8x13 mighty hoop, and I'll put a link in the description for this hoop. It does have a free shipping code, and I'll give you the free shipping code as well, okay? All right, let's get to the machine. Okay, we got our hoop on the embroidery machine, and I'm just going to start it, and it will do the outline first, and that would be a placement outline. Okay, I'm going to start it, and the first color we'll do a placement stitch. So we're going to do placement stitch. Okay, I'm going to place the twill. I did spray it a little with the temporary adhesive spray, so it won't move when it does that tack down stitch. Doing a tack down stitch. Okay, now so it's doing a cover stitch. Okay, now it's going to start the lettering. And this is white twill that I got from Twill USA. And I like the results so far, looking good. I got my placement line. I'm going to place that right over my placement line. And now it's stitching. Okay, and now it's doing the applique cover stitch. Okay, we finished all the stitching, so let's see which we like the best. Okay, I'm going to unhoop this from my mighty hoops. And let's take this off first. Look how easy that tears. Wow. And let's take the tearaway first layer off. And the second layer, look how easy that tears. Look how good that came out. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, we're going to get this cleaned up, and then we're going to put our heat and bond on the back. Okay, what I like to do sometime, but it's not necessary, you could take any kind of Sharpie or fabric marker to get some, as long as you use the same color as your thread. And, you know, to get some of the white area, it just makes it look neater and cleaner. Sorry about the lawn. They decided to cut the lawn while I'm doing my video. So, yeah, see how much neater that looks? Just a little touch. It could be a fabric marker, or you can use a Sharpie, like I said, and typically I use the same color thread. What a difference. Okay. All right, I'm gonna finish up the rest of these, and then we're gonna put our heat and bond on. Okay, we're gonna put the adhesive on, and I'm using Heat and Bond Ultra Hold. And I'm just gonna do it all at one time, make sure I get a good coverage. And I'm using my Cricut press. You can use a heat press if you like. And I'm gonna probably do it for, I'd say 30 seconds to make sure that we have a good adherence to that applique. Hopefully I have it hot enough. Okay, that gave it a nice adhesive sticky back. And here we have our patches. We have the vinyl, glitter vinyl. We have the twill, and we have the stitches. Although the stitches do look nice, it takes time to stitch the background. And my second favorite is the twill. Well, the twill is my favorite. This is my second favorite. And I also like this as well. Looks like I need to give that a little more heat. It gives it a nice glittery effect. I don't know if you can see that. This is an idea how it looks on a hat, which I'm not going to press now. I'll wait till I get orders. But this is a little big, but this is an idea what you can do with your patches. Okay. And here's the black one. That looks pretty neat. And if you're going to be selling them, I would recommend putting in a bag, a plastic bag, and that looks pretty good. Okay, this will conclude my tutorial on how to do patches 3 different ways. And I'd be interested to know which one is your favorite. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would like for you to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.